Welcome to this quick tutorial on setting up Google Ads Enhanced Conversion for Calendly. Today I will show you how to track email and phone numbers from your Calendly uh, Calendly booking. Okay, it's using a custom HTML listener code and data layer variable. So first of all, we have to create a custom HTML tag, this one for the currently listener code. So I already create it, you can see here I already created, and it will fire in all place it custom HTML tag. So I already set up it, this one. I'm sorry about that, I cannot share this code, so I just can show you guys that the currently booking for Google Ads conversion, we can track the user profile data. So we can set up for enhanced conversion tracking. Okay. So I already create here the currently listener code tag, and plus if I show you the Z ads currently booking. Okay. Now let's preview first and check everything working or not. Okay. Okay. Tag assistant connected here. This one is my website, and our form is in the footer section here. Okay. Okay, first I want to change the language here. Okay. If I click on English, then we go the footer section here, the appointment. If I click here, then you can see already open here the Calendly booking form. So now we can take our action, check it working or not. So okay, now I select the date here, then time. Okay, you can see my name I already put here, then my email, and if I select this one, the WhatsApp. Okay, then it's my phone number. Okay, now you can put anything here. Adjust budget is any amount you can put. Then after you click on the submit is confirmation here. Okay, so it will take a little bit time. So this is just thank you, because this Francis language. Okay, now I go in tag assistant, click on connect, then after you see here no another any event about Calendly, and you see in Calendly we cannot install the Google Tag Manager. That's why we use the listener code, custom HTML listener code. So, and here fire one event is currently booking. Okay, currently booking. I set up this one for GA4 server side tracking and for Google Ads conversion. If I click on here, the Google Ads conversion, then you can see the my email and phone number is properly taken, so it's for enhanced conversion. Okay, then the tag is Google Ads currently booking. Then if I go on the variable section, Then you can see the DLB currently is enhanced conversion user provide data. It's properly tracking. And last time I show you guys this one type from EC. Okay. Then you see email C means for Calendly, and this one tracking. And if I show my phone number, then phone C, phone C means Calendly, so phone also tracking. And in data layer, if I click here, then you see the first name also tracking, last name, and hash email and phone number. So it's properly working. In my experience, I see currently booking user provide data without API cannot tracking. It can track in server side tracking, but browser side like this cannot track user provide data. So I'm sorry about that again because I cannot share the code. If you guys need any help about setting up Google Earth enhanced conversion for Calendly booking or type form, I can help you, and I will put my WhatsApp number in the description. You can contact with me. And so thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more marketing tutorial. See you next time. And one more thing is I want to show that it's actually I just create not any conversion coming. See in Google Ads currently booking, it's no conversion yet, and in the tag assistant everything is properly working. Okay, thank you again. Thank you so much. Bye.